Why is everyone losing limbs?
I don't want to lose anything.
I'm out of ammo. So am I. Where's he going?
I'll be back, guys.
Where the hell do you think you're going?
You mind your business.